This pre-selling condominium in Katipunan Avenue stands as a 41-story testament to modern living in the vibrant hub of Quezon City, strategically positioned near universities and academic institutions. This project caters to students, young professionals, and families alike. With diverse studio and one-bedroom units fully finished and thoughtful design, and complemented by top-of-the-line amenities including coffee project and all day, Hawthorne Hiegths offers a dynamic living experience in the heart of this bustling city. This dynamic property development is also close to all accessible location points, transportation hubs, and local conveniences in an emerging prime city district. With access to major thoroughfares and interconnected transport systems, and future infrastructure projects like the Metro Manila Subway, with a dedicated station on Katipunan Avenue, Hawthorne Hiegths is nothing short of handy and reachable. While accessibility and convenience are just the icings on the cake, Hawthorne Hiegths boasts functional amenities, from commercial spaces to the usual amenity staples, like a swimming pool, a fitness gym, a function hall, a reception and a posh lobby, to crafting a study hall, and a lush roof deck garden. Because at Hawthorne Hiegths, we want our residents to work hard, dream big, and redefine city living.